And tonight we're learning the license of a Richmond area doctor has been suspended after he was accused of having a romantic and sexual relationship with a patient. Now 8 News is taking action, getting to the bottom of these claims. 8 News obtained these documents from the Virginia Board of Medicine that breaks down the alleged sexual relationship between Dr. Samuel Thomas Clanton and a 26-year-old patient whose identity is unknown. The acts are being called a, quote, substantial danger to the public health and safety. 8 News learned that Dr. Clanton was a contracted worker at Sheltering Arms Institute. The document states that the patient started receiving care from Dr. Clanton in June of 2022 for pain management after a concussion. In July of that same year, the board says Dr. Clanton noted the patient had suicidal thoughts. At this time, Dr. Clanton allegedly gave the patient his personal phone number, and the two communicated frequently about her mental health outside of scheduled visits. In March of 2023, the two started a personal relationship where the patient would meet with Dr. Clanton outside of the office and, quote, kiss and use their hands for sexual activity, often in Clanton's car and the on-call room at the inpatient hospital, among other locations. The board releasing text messages between the two that detail their sexual acts. It is said that some of the sexual encounters were unwanted by the patient. Investigators found that Dr. Clanton would justify the sexual acts, saying it was, quote, exposure therapy for the patient to help with her fears. Throughout these conversations, the two are said to have expressed that the relationship was wrong. Dr. Clanton said he was sucked in by the patient and that he tried to push away but felt like she was manipulating and blackmailing him. The document states that Dr. Clanton believed his own lack of communication and intimacy in his marriage set the stage for these issues taking place. I reached out to Sheltering Arms. A spokesperson tells me in part, we were disheartened to learn of the allegations regarding the suspension of Dr. Clanton's medical license. They went on to say Sheltering Arms Institute is focused on continuing to provide the highest quality physical rehabilitation services to our patients. And again, the board has suspended Dr. Clanton's license. According to the Virginia Department of Health Professionals, a formal hearing on this matter has been continued. Now, there's no word yet on when that will be. I also reached out to Clanton's lawyer, who declined to comment further on the pending matter. Of course, we'll make sure to keep you updated as we learn more.